Hi, I'm Nora Melly, the Education Manager for the Delaware Center for Horticulture. Today I'd like to talk to you about weeding. Hand weeding is one of the most common tasks that gardeners do. We do it for a number of reasons, primarily for aesthetics. Most people don't like the look of weeds in their garden. And the second is because common weeds often have evolved to grow faster than our garden crops, so they compete for resources like sunlight, nutrients, and water. Weeding is very, very simple, but there's a couple of things to keep in mind. You may need a tool, like a trowel or a dandelion digger. That'll make things easier to get out if you've got a strong root system. The second thing is timing. The smaller the weeds are, the easier they are to get out. And you also want to keep in mind that damp soil, not soggy soil, but damp soil is going to be the easiest to get roots out of as well. So if your soil is very dry, you may want to water it first, let it drain for a couple of hours, and then do your weeding. So this is simple. You grasp your weed, you give it a twist, and you pull. I know that this one is a little bit tough to get out, so I'm going to use my trowel. Oh, and I did break my root there, but I got a chunk of it out. If you have a lot of soil clinging to this, you may want to shake the soil back into your bed. Anything that has a flower or is already set seed, make sure you do not put into your compost pile because you're going to be spreading that around in your gardens next summer. Anything that has a strong taproot or is a vining plant like Creeping Charlie that I have here, or some sort of ivy, you probably want to keep out of your compost pile as well, because that will not necessarily die unless you get the compost very, very hot. So you dispose of your weeds and you're good to go. If you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching.